Representing Tacoma, Kitsap, and Frank Thorne chapters, please welcome Sound Booth.
Every night I used to go to call on May McBride. To this day, I do not know what her house looks like inside. Every night that I would call, there would be sweet May, with her hand coat on, standing in the hall. Where we going tonight, she'd say, and that's not all. Sweet May had the gimme habit awful bad. I'm glad I said, hey, by the way, there's something that I want to say. Gonna get myself a little red coat, some little red knickers too. I'm gonna get myself a long white beard when I go to call on you. You wanna know the reason? Because you seem to think that I'm Santa Claus, to make things seem more real, sweetheart. Made up my mind, I'm gonna dress the part. And don't you be surprised if any old day I drive up in a reindeer sleigh. But don't you worry, dear, won't happen right away, right away. Well, if you're wondering why I don't call dear, remember Santa only comes once a year. But if the truth must be spoke, your true love and Santa Claus is broke. Hear me saying, through playing Santa Claus with you. Your sweet sugar daddy done quit. I got the blues when my baby left me by the San Francisco Bay. She took an ocean liner and she's gone so far away. I didn't mean to treat her so bad. She was the best gal I ever had. She said goodbye, gonna make me cry. Boo-hoo. I think I'll lay down and die. I ain't got a nickel and I ain't got a lousy dime. If she don't come back, I think I'm bound to lose my mind. And if she ever comes back and to stay, it's gonna be another brand new day. Walking with my baby down by the San Francisco Bay. Sitting here looking out my back door, wondering which way to go. That girl that I'm crazy about, she don't want me no more. I guess I'll take me a freight train, 'cause I'm feeling so blue. Ride her on down to the end of the line, just a-thinking of you, ba-bum, bum, bum. Meanwhile, in another city, just about to go insane. Seems like I heard my baby, the way she used to call my name.
Hey, stupid!
And if she ever comes back and stay, it's gonna be another brand new day. Walking with my baby down by the San Francisco Bay. I'm walking with my baby down by the bay.